In 3 minutes, I'm gonna make you a power washing professional. I will give you the information the power washing cartel doesn't want you to know. I will teach you to save $600 to $800. To wash your house, it's very, very simple. Do not rely on the power washer to get the house clean. Rely on your chemicals. Number one chemical, it's bleach or chlorine. It kills the moss and the black mold on your house. Number two chemical, regular soap. It gets the house nice and clean and it helps the dirt come off the house. Number one reason you need the power washer is to get your chemicals on your house very fast and very easily. This is your chemical distribution chamber. You fill this chamber up almost all the way with bleach. You never dilute your bleach or chlorine. And you put in a little bit of soap, about 5 ounces. 5 ounces would be about half a cup. Once you fill this up almost all the way with bleach and your soap, you take your power washer and you always have to use a soap dispensing tip. Power washers come with different tips, and your power washer should say which one is for soap dispensing. Then you just go around the house and you keep on putting the bleach and soap on your house. And that's going to get your house very, very clean. If you have a ranch house or the stuff that you have to get off is not too high, you can use a sprayer like this. Pressurized sprayer. Put your bleach in it, put your soap in it, and same thing. Just go around the house, spray it down a couple times, and wash it off with a garden hose. First thing that I do is wet down all the plants. It's very important to wet down the plants very good so the chemicals don't get on them and hurt them. You have to put on the right tip. Right now we're going to be using the soap tip. This tip allows soap to come out. Quick tip, before you turn on your power washer, make sure your hose is nicely untangled. Once you turn it on, it's going to be very hard. When you turn on your power washer, you always want your trigger to be pulled down. It's easier to turn it on then. Choke is on, fuel is on, and the on-off switch is on. When I start the compressor, always have your trigger pulled, and it's easier to start that way. I only use the power washer to get the chemicals on the wall faster. You can use a hand sprayer and you will achieve the same exact thing. Might take you a little bit longer. Right now, I'm just spraying the chemicals, the chlorine and the soap. We are powering all the plants again. Garage door looks almost brand new. You can see the moss and mold is literally just falling off, melting off. My main hose popped, but very good that I always have a spare one. I put on 3 coats of cleaner on this wall. As you can see, it doesn't even have to be power washed. This wall was very green and black, very dirty.
Now it looks like a new house.
Looks like a new house. So the takeaway of this video is all you need is bleach and soap. And you're going to make your house look brand new for $10 or $20 in materials, and you will save a lot of money. Bye!